Okay, here's a video of an 18-inch ITO boat, the SS Statue of Liberty. This is a pretty rare boat, 18 inches long. It's very, very, very detailed. It's incredible, the boats that the Japanese made right after the war, World War II. It's a beautiful boat. I restored it. This is part of the restoration. I had to replace the flag, the mast, the whole front bow light assembly is new old stock. The flagpole is new old stock. I had to rebuild the metal cage around the stairs, or the seats. Anyway, I had to totally repaint it, strip it down to bare wood, repaint it, revarnish it, restain it, I mean the whole 9 yards, everything. Polished up all the fittings. Had to make about 5 seats, the green seats. I had to make 4 of the benches inside. Added the lights, rewired it, so all the lights work inside. I added a couple lights actually. I'll turn the lights on and see. You can kind of see. And anyway, just took everything apart, polished it. All the handrails, the hangers for the lifeboats, etc. Just cleaned everything up. You can see how nice it looks. Had to make the life preservers. Had to make the handrails in the back. They were missing. The switches were junk. Had to redo those. These are made out of a different type of switch, but they work great because they have the same handle. Anyway, this is a pretty rare boat. And it's a beautiful boat. It really is a pretty boat. And I'll turn the motor on for you. Along with the lights. And then in the front, lights on. You can see the lights inside in the cabin. Up here in the pilot house, they never had a light in the pilot house. I drilled a hole in the bottom, put a bulb in there anyway, so that would light up too, along with the cabin. Of course, there's the new old stock bow light. See, all the fittings have been cleaned, polished, along with the anchor, everything. I made some new decals for the Statue of Liberty instead of painting them by hand, which I'm lousy at. But everything's been stained, varnished. The whole front of the cabin was destroyed. I had to make that. All out of mahogany. Anyway, it's a real pretty boat. Here it is with the inside. I had to clean the contacts, cleaned all those, touched up some wiring. I had to make this whole mount here for the switches in the back, because this is a different type of switch, although it has the same type of handle as it did originally. You can see the motor. That's a nice can motor. It's a TMY motor. So my guess is that's who made the boat. They all say ITO, but I'm guessing TMY made this because this is a fancier one. Anyway, you can see all the contacts are clean, polished. Wiring's been redone, cleaned up. See underneath, you can see the contacts, etc. The whole front of the cabin I had to rebuild. That's all new. Put all this back on. Turn the lights on. There we go. I'll go ahead and turn the main light off and you get a better idea how it looks. It's a little darker. You see a little bit. I had a couple green seats in the front which weren't there originally, but I thought, what the heck. Anyway, there she is. It's a very pretty boat. This is a real nice restoration, and this is the second one I've totally restored. You'll see this on YouTube, of course. And there'll also be a video on there of the restoration. Thanks again for all your kind words on my boats. You can see all my boats on rccraft.com. Any questions, give me a call. I can make pretty much anything that you want me to make. Thanks again.